Hello, this is Alexander from Website Promoters, and in this video, I'm going to show how nested rows can replicate specialty rows, which is being deprecated in Divi 5. In Divi 5, nested rows replace specialty rows. Nested rows is a new feature in Divi 5, which we have a video on, which I recommend checking out. Okay, so specialty rows in Divi 4 was something that was very rarely used by website promoters. But basically, you can use nested rows, which is a new feature in Divi 5, to replicate specialty rows. And Elegant Themes, which develops Divi, has a great article on how nested rows can be used to replicate specialty sections. So let's see if I can follow this. It's not a very long article, so it explains the history of specialty sections and what their intent was. Specialty rows had limitations. In my view, nested rows is a more powerful option than specialty rows. So I'm going to try and replicate a specialty section using nested rows. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have one row, actually two columns. This is one section of two rows. And I'm going to have an image. Let's see, image. And then I'm going to add text, a text module. And then I'm going to add another text module here. And I'm going to have the text module equal the size of these two modules. So over here, I'm going to remove the spacing. There we go. And I'm going to have, what is the height of this? Content, sizing, height. Let's try 500 pixels. That's too big. Let's try 400. Not 4 pixels, 400 pixels. It's still too big. Let's try 300. It's closer, but not quite there. 350. It's about the same size, but not exactly. It doesn't need to be the exact same size. Let's see. I guess it's fine. Maybe I'll make it 355 pixels. It's too big. 353, 352. Okay, that is, I'll just keep it at 350. Okay, then I'm going to save the draft. That is how nested rows can be used to replicate specialty sections in Divi 5. Okay, this was a short video. Like the video, leave comments below the video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel.